Hello all, I'm Amita. Today's topic is backfish costing. Backfish costing एक product costing approach है that records cost after a product is sold. That is, जितनी भी cost है related to the production process, वो तभी record होंगी after that product is actually produced or sold. It means कि हमें wait करना पड़ेगा till the production process is completed. बाकी accounting methods में entries record होती हैं as cost arises, but backfish costing में एक main entry pass होती है at the end of the production cycle that record all of the inventory that was used. Therefore, instead of reporting all expenses as they occur, it flushes all expenses in a single entry. इस method को backfish costing इसलिए कहते हैं because ये use करता है standard cost को and these standard costs are then flushed backwards through the system. Let's take an example. A manufacturer estimates a standard cost of rupees 5 per product and produces 100 units. इस केस में मैन्युफैक्चरर रिकॉर्ड करेगा एक्सपेंस की एंट्री विद एन अमाउंट ऑफ रुपीज 500 दैट इज स्टैंडर्ड कॉस्ट मल्टीप्लाइड बाय नंबर ऑफ यूनिट्स प्रोड्यूस्ड और ये एंट्री पास होगी एट द एंड ऑफ द प्रोडक्शन साइकिल. बैकफिश कॉस्टिंग एप्रोप्रिएट है फॉर जस्ट इन टाइम इन्वेंटरी मेथड जहाँ पे रॉ मटेरियल स्टोर नहीं होते, रादर वो तभी परचेज होते हैं व्हेन द नीड अराइजेस. लेट्स टेक अनदर एग्जांपल where a company is engaged in the manufacturing of widgets. Now the company has three options to order raw materials or widget parts. The first option is to order on yearly basis. Second option is to order raw materials once a month. The third option is to order materials only after getting an order from a retailer. First two options में जहाँ company can order on yearly or monthly basis, इन दोनों ऑप्शंस में कंपनी विल हैव टू इनकर एडिशनल एक्सपेंसेस सच एज स्टोरेज जो ऑप्शन 3 में रिड्यूस हो सकते हैं एज इट इज अ पार्ट ऑफ जस्ट इन टाइम इन्वेंटरी मेथड. ऑल्सो इन दिस केस कंपनी के पास ज़्यादा कैश इन हैंड होगा टू पे द इनवॉइसेस एज बाय दैट टाइम द कंपनी मे हैव ऑलरेडी सोल्ड और एटलीस्ट फिनिश्ड द प्रोडक्शन. From this example, we can say that backfish costing is less costly as it saves holding cost of inventory. Backfish costing में ज़्यादा emphasis दिया जाता है to measure the cost at the beginning and at the end और ज़्यादा focus दिया जाता है end part को that is the outputs. Here point to be noted is that there is no work in progress in this method because materials को store नहीं किया जाता, instead they straight away go into the production process. Now let's learn about the variants of backfish costing. Now variant 1, which has two trigger points, that is purchase of raw material and completion of units. Trigger point वो stage होती है production cycle में at which journal entries are made. First entry is raw and in process account debited to creditors account with their actual amount. Raw and in process account का मतलब materials को purchase किया and production में डाल दिया. Second entry is related with conversion process, that is conversion cost account debited to cash account to creditors account with their actual amount. Conversion cost account will include cost of labor and other manufacturing expenses. Third entry is on completion of units, that is finished goods account debited to raw and in process account to conversion cost account with their respective standard cost. Finally, when the goods are sold, cost of goods sold account debited to finished goods account. Now the variant 2. It has only one trigger point, that is completion of units. इस variant में raw and in process materials का record maintain नहीं होता है. Only last three entries of variant 1 will be passed in this variant. In the end, let's see the cases where this method can be adopted. Backfish costing method is suitable for companies engaging in short-term production process, having low inventory levels, and companies having complex production process, as this method will eliminate unneeded journal entries. On the other side, this method is not suitable for companies engaged in long-term production process, as जितना time increase होगा उतना difficult होगा to assign the cost accurately. Also, this method is not suitable for production of customized products, as हर item की unit cost will vary. That's all about backfish costing. अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आई है तो लाइक, कमेंट और शेयर करिए. अगर कोई डाउट है तो उसे कमेंट सेक्शन में